The main national holiday in Kazakhstan is Nowruz. Traditionally, for a whole month, everyone goes to visit each other. A lot of food is prepared, everyone is happy, except of the hostess of the house, who later has to wash a mountain of dirty dishes. This is the perfect time to think about buying a dishwasher in the online store Kaspi.kz. The only one who washes the dishes with the pleasure is the raccoon, and we made him the hero of the advertising campaign. To create a ready-to-buy customer, we decided to make a buzz in advance around the problem of dishwashing. A week before the start of the advertising campaign, we invented a legend and launched online video. In Almaty, Raccoon breaks into house and washes the dishes. The first day, the video became incredibly popular in social networks, and it was immediately published by Central Mass Media of Kazakhstan. On the same day, Raccoon went beyond the borders of the Republic and appeared in social media and the mass media of neighboring countries. Kazakhstan has a common media space with most of them. Radio stations started talking about the raccoon from Almaty, who washes the dishes instead of the hostess.
В бригаде У.
Енот проник кому-то в дом и перемыл посуду.
Raccoon was aired by central and regional TV channels of Russia,
Сказал вот этот енот.
Ukraine, Belarus, and Moldova. Video became the #1 in YouTube popularity trend in Kazakhstan and in the top of the neighboring countries. And then Raccoon arrived in the far abroad, in social networks and media of European, Arab, Asian countries and Australia, international and national TV channels in Poland, Iran, India, South Korea, and even China's central television showed the dishwasher raccoon from Kazakhstan. Information about the incredible popularity of the Kazakh raccoon abroad appeared in the social networks and the mass media of the Republic.
Кадры того, как очаровательный зверек перемыл посуду,
покорил интернет-пользователей по всему миру.
Raccoon mania swept the country. The sale of raccoons became the trend of the week on the website of personal ads. The internet was filled with smiles, jokes, and memes and comments like, "If I had such a raccoon, I would not have married." At the peak of the buzz and conversations, "If someone washed the dishes for me," we opened the secret of the raccoon by launching the advertising campaign.
Kaspi.kz – первое, о чем подумали Асхат и Жанар, когда поняли, что пора покупать посудомоечную машину.
All advertising materials were connected to Raccoon, including pre-rolls on YouTube. As a result, we gained a huge free media online and offline. Raccoon invaded half the world, was spotted in 28 countries, and seen on 43 TV channels. The total media coverage exceeded 50 million people. The video has become the most popular and effective virus in the history of Kazakhstan. We spent only $2,000 and earned media exceeded $2.5 million. And the requests for dishwashers increased up to 41.25%.